How to fix Chrome download failed network error in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Chrome download failed network error. So many times we face like this problem when we try to download a file or folder, the Chrome download failed, this error appears. So for that you have to first open your Chrome browser and click on the settings, and then click on the systems from here or the downloads from here, and then you have to just change the location. Sometimes it appears for the location problem, and then you have to just select folder. So before selecting the folder, you must check that your folder has enough storage to download. So after that you just have to close the window and then restart your Chrome browser. And the second solution is you have to just check on your internet connection if it's rightly operating or not. And if that solution doesn't work with you, you just have to simply click on the settings option and then click on the privacy and security and click on the Windows security option from here, and you just have to click on the virus and threat protection from here, and then turn off the virus threat protection settings or the real-time protection. So it's already turned off. You just have to turn off the real-time protection here, and then you can try to download the file or folder. So it will now start downloading and without showing you the error. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.